To most people, N8n and OpenClaw look exactly the same. Both are automation tools, both can use AI models, both can read and change files on your machine, and both can even connect to APIs and external tools. So naturally, people assume they basically do the same thing, so they are the same thing. But that assumption is exactly where most people make a huge mistake when choosing between them. Because even though they look similar, they actually work in completely different ways. And understanding this difference will save you a lot of time, frustration when building automations. Let me show you something. Imagine you hire someone to complete a task. You give them a goal. Prepare a report for this customer. Now, there are two ways this could happen. The first person says, what's the step 1? Then what's the step 2? And then what's the step 3? They refuse to start until the entire process is defined. The second person reacts very differently. You give them the same goal and they say, got it. And right away, they start working. They basically decide what information to gather, what tools to use, what step comes next. You never told them the actual process, only the goal. Now here's the interesting part. Both workers can finish this job, but depending on the situation, one of them will be dramatically more useful than the other. And this is the exact difference which separates N8n and OpenClaw. So in this case, the first worker is N8n and the second worker is OpenClaw. With N8n, you design a workflow step by step. It looks like this: a trigger, a step, then another step, and then a result. For example, the user signs up, collect their data, send it to an AI model, generate a report, send an email, and notify Slack. Every step is predefined. You built the pipeline. N8n simply executes it. OpenClaw works very differently. Instead of defining the workflow, you give the system a goal. Then the AI decides what tool to use, what action to take, what step comes next. So instead of a fixed pipeline, the workflow is created dynamically. The easiest way to think about this, N8n is like following a recipe. Every step is written down. On the other hand, OpenClaw is like a chef. You tell the chef the dish you want, and they will figure out how to cook it. So when choosing between them, the real question is not which one is better. The real question is, do you already know the steps? If the steps are clearly defined, then use N8n. If the steps require reasoning, use OpenClaw. So I hope this video was useful for you and you got the idea of when to use which of these tools. So if it was helpful, let me know in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.